This gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Cobble Creek is practically brand new. Just finished at the end of 2021, this ranch home is ready for its new owners. Built with a split-bedroom floor plan and quality finishes throughout, there is so much to love about the design of this home. The kitchen has custom-built soft-close cabinets and black stainless steel appliances. The kitchen and living room boast an open concept, and the living room features a beautiful stone front gas fireplace. Off of the living room is a cozy den with glass French doors that could act as a 4th bedroom. The spacious master suite also has granite countertops, a floor-to-ceiling tile walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a bathroom, and you'll find plenty of storage in the oversized 3-car garage. Outside, there's a covered patio with a ceiling fan, and at the front of the house is the covered porch, and it's a great place to sit, relax, and enjoy a nice summer breeze. Don't miss out on this gorgeous home. Call Landon Badiak to see it today.